What happens if you sneeze in space? Well, sneezing in space is a bit different. When you sneeze, those tiny droplets don't fall down like on Earth because there's no gravity. Instead, they float all around. And that could be a problem if you're in a spacecraft with other astronauts. They might float into their noses or equipment. So astronauts have to be careful and cover their sneezes with a tissue or their elbow. But don't worry, spacecraft are equipped with air filtration systems to help remove and clean the air, so there's very less chance of contamination.